How to set Do Not Disturb in Slack. If you have been using the Slack application and wondering on how to set the Do Not Disturb sign on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Slack application just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top right corner. Select it. Then here you can find pause notifications right here. Tap on it. Now to set Do Not Disturb, you need to pause notifications. So here are the time frame that you can simply choose. Now choose from one of these. You can also customize your pause notifications option. Now choose one just like this. And now you can see the notifications are now paused. And that's it. This is how you can set Do Not Disturb in Slack. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.